Putang ina, wala yung mga cleanses ko dito. Ay, okay.
Yo, we starting when they zone. Everybody wake up. Are they holding Northeast? How big?
Yeah.
29? 30? The same number? Okay.
Level 30 na sila dito. Holding.
May nag-zone ko eh. Hindi ko magagamit yung sound.
Yeah. Just wake up. Marika, wake up.
Sana gumana, naka-priority yung PC ko.
Yo, listen, tanks, let them engage deep, okay? But I'm not telling you, like, stop them still, right? Stop them still. But make sure, you know, they engage deep and not shallow on you guys on that choke. If we play the choke.
Clotty mga healer nila.
They're playing clap brawl, but the healers are all on Clotty.
Yeah.
It's kind of very...
Stop. Naka-rogue. Bring home the bacon.
Malika, wake up.
Wake up, boys. Let's fuck them up. Fuck them
Yeah,
up,
they're
boys.
scouting,
Fuck them up.
Nag-zone na,
Well,
nag-zone.
They're
Zone,
zoning already.
zoning.
Wake up,
Okay,
wake up, wake up.
get ready. Dismount, my support. Dismount. Get ready, ah.
Well,
They're going
yeah.
southeast.
They're going southeast, so I come
Yeah,
east side, come east side, then come east side.
East side. Ready.
This
They did dismount.
mountain on ping.
Where?
Up the choke.
Oh, they're up the choke. Oh, listen, they're up the choke southwest. Yo, food up.
Nag-go sila.
Yo,
Switch
OC.
switch castle
OC
rotation na.
15,
Okay. Ready, ah. First, choke fight. I need to, I
everybody
need
just
to
hold it.
demons. Bigyan is Pokoy, okay?
Sige.
Ready.
Yeah, I'm kind of lagging, so please, can somebody else stream also in case I get really pissed.
Overcheck,
Spread northeast more.
Wala tayong...
Yeah.
Yeah, listen, can you guys mark Royal in case?
They're going towards you.
Yo, spread northeast more. Spread northeast farther. Don't stay on the choke. Farther. We have uphill advantage here, guys. Oh, just hold. Just hold there.
Oh, they're inching up. They're inching up, boys.
Yeah, listen, tanks. Nobody should be dying up front, okay? Let them walk past the choke. Let them walk. Swine. Let them walk. Where's their caller?
They have a bottom bomb.
They have a button bomb. Okay, this is their caller. Okay, I marked their caller, Gregora. Okay, Gregora is their caller.
Inching up, boys, ah.
They have brawlers
mounted up, ah.
sneaking in. Yeah, they have brawlers sneaking in. Okay.
Silva.
Yo, Silva's on melee. Melee bomb Silva. Okay. Yo, hold on. Careful. Marksman, you're getting fucking raped there, maniga.
I'd be calling.
Yeah, listen. Come northeast. Pull them northeast. Pull them. Tell me if they're walking past the choke.
The direction center is going to be moving. Okay.
Yo, come southwest. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest.
No.
Nice.
Get ready, third.
Come up hill. Wait. Just hold.
Hold. Nice.
Heal up front line. Just hold. Help my bomb front line. Okay. Just hold. Come southwest a bit.
Si Silva naka-battle mo.
Okay. Wait. Yeah, button.
Nice.
Yeah, on the button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the button. Come northeast. Hold. Just hold.
Ready. Reset.
Careful.
Engaging. Okay, ready?
Yeah, listen. If they're DPS engage deep, okay, we're gonna walk in. Okay, just wait. Yo, kill this button inside. Kill this tank inside.
Engaging. Second demons.
Yo, careful shallow. Hold on. Yo,
Getting excited.
ready.
Ready,
Ready.
first demons.
Just wait.
First demons, get ready. Get ready, third, ah. Third demons, get ready too.
Just wait.
For coming back, okay? For counter engages.
You're ready your potions, ready your jackets, okay? Wait for engage. Wait. Fake only. Hold on. Just wait, boys, just wait. Yo, tanks, get ready to walk in. Listen. Yo, tanks walking. Everyone, jacket, walking deep. Tanks hold them. Hold them. Just walk deep. Deep south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep south now. Everything.
Okay,
Spread
spread
southwest. Spread southwest. Push. Pushing it out of choke. Okay? Spread. Keep going west. Walk west into them. Okay, spread, boys. Spread out. Keep going west. Yeah. Can we catch that bomb west side? Keep going west. Keep going west.
Nasa east sila. Check my east, boys. Check my east.
Keep walking.
Nice. No one died. Fucking hell, man.
Just walk.
Very good, boys.
Very
Very
good.
good.
Can we catch all of them? Just kill all of them. Kill all of them. Yo, kill all of them. South 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy. Kill all of them.
Chariot. Northeast.
Kill the chariot. Yo, the chariot, northeast. Kill all of them.
He's running southeast.
Can you ping?
Yeah, ping the chariot. Kill the chariot.
Yeah.
Yeah, nobody should die, ah. Did anyone...
Engage pa sila sa east side dito.
Yeah, they're engaging east side, okay? Careful, you come east side. Are they
Nag-regroup sila.
Okay. Just keep coming east side. They just engage, right? They just engage?
Yes,
Just come in. Yo, listen. Listen, okay? Yo, careful. Yo, listen. Right in and spread. Go deep east. Right in and spread. They're engaging inside. Okay, walk. They don't have engage. Walk.
Get ready. Second name.
Give me fix. Barol, get ready. Barol, 5, 4,
Second name,
3, 2, 1. Send everything on me.
30 months now. 30 months.
Chariot running southeast.
Low na sa akin.
Yo, kill chariot. Where's the chariot?
Andito.
Pink chariot.
Southeast.
Chariot southeast.
Natatag ko.
642.
Please catch the chariot.
Summon mount. Di siya makazone. Pag nag-zone.
The chariot at the southeast. Yeah, he's zoned already. It's fine. Yeah, man. Yo, did anyone die? I think somebody died, right?
Did my supports die?
Crabs lang.
Yeah, it's fine.
Fucking Becknum, man. Why did Becknum die?
Yeah, if he zones back, he's kinda dumb. Can one person wait here on the gate?
Solution
Someone
na
may-
internet
here.
Kailangan naka-priority.
Yeah, I think so. Next time, I'll ask for second round.
Bilis na karat, Nandito pa rin siya. Ay, di siya nakamount.
Come southeast. Where? Ping. Come southeast. Come southeast. Yo, zone southeast. Catch that chariot. He wasn't able to mount. Yeah, can you keep catching him?
Ginugulpin na.
Zone southeast. Yeah, gulpin nyo. I need a chariot. I need an extra chariot.
We have.
Magkakababol yan sana pagbalik ka.
Oo.
Is he gonna zone in?
Naghihintay ng bubble.
Yeah, he just zone back. Listen. Spread out. He's zone back.
May ano na siya, bubble.
Yeah, but listen, spread. Yo, I still need people at the southeast side. Where is he? He's going north side.
Going northeast.
He's going northeast. Yo, cut off the roads in the north side, okay? Just cut them off if you can.
We can catch this. Slow lang yung tipo.
If someone's already at the north, you know. Like, who's at the north? He's going northwest.
Just go northeast.
He's going northeast. I know we can catch it. Fuck. Okay. Malika, I think come northeast. He's not replying for a second round. He's not replying. Yeah, did anyone die? You can be honest with me.
Ay,
You know?
hindi.
I won't kick you right away, you know. You have to explain first, you know, why he died.
Just interrogate.
What do you think, boys?
Oh, catch
Gusto niyo bang ganong calls na lang?
Catching him.
Yeah, southwest.
Blue.
Go southwest. You catch him west side. Come west side.
Run! Nice catch.
Yeah, he's gonna try to zone northeast, ah. Try to stop him. Yo, see. Inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside.
Nag-ano na.
Did I lag?
Yun yung sisi. About nice. Ano siya? In combat.
He's in combat, yeah, he's in combat. Kill him.
Tumayo na lang,
Yeah, please give me the extra chariot.
Basag na yung chariot. Ay,
Yes, the chariot's alive. I have an extra chariot. Let's go. Okay, good. Nice one.
talaga.
Binuwag na itong katao.
Yeah, monta.
This one royal.
Nice one, Royal.